How's it going, everyone? This is Mark with AtTech. In this video, I want to show you how you can access resources from apps on Mac. Now, when I say resources, I mean things like image assets, and probably one of the most important things is audio files. These are requirements of the app in order to run properly. Sometimes you may want to swap them out if you're trying to customize the app a little bit, or you may just want to get the audio file for yourself. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Right here, we have Carrot Weather. They got some pretty nice audio files, maybe something I might want to take. So we got our app right here, and we'll just find a sound we like, make sure you know what that sounds like, and then we'll head over to Finder and then open up Applications. Now, if we go ahead and just find Carrot right here, you'll see that Carrot is right there. So we'll go ahead and right click on that and say Show Package Contents. From there, we'll go to Contents and then Resources. Now these are all of the things that the app uses in order to run properly. If you want to swap out the icon, you can do so right there. We've got our ICNS file. We've also got other assets like the alarm icon and different pictures of people. So if you want to swap any of those out, or if you actually want to copy them and take them for yourself, you can certainly do that right here. Now, I want an audio file. So we can find our audio file that we want, and you can go ahead and play them right here. If I like this one, let's say I like that, then all I have to do is just go ahead and copy that, and you can paste it right there. It's still here, and we still have it right here as well. And that is actually really it. It's actually quite simple and easy to do. Some apps have a lot of assets like this one, while others don't necessarily have a lot. So if we go ahead and find Chrome right here, and we go ahead and take a look at the package contents of this one, as you can see, we've got these, which are L project files. We've got our icon and we've got our document icon, but these are actually coded together as a full package. So you can't really do a lot with this. If we find our en.l project, so our English, then we have an info plist strings file. There's not a lot you can do with this. This is mainly just info. A lot of this is referencing from a different source. So not everything is actually right here locally on the computer or even inside of the app folder. A lot of times these L projects wrap everything up, and the .app file is just a location for all these things to run. So not all of them work the way that this does on Carrot Weather, but a lot of them do. So just keep that in mind. Not all these assets you can get, but on some of them, like Carrot, it actually works really well. So there you go. A quick overview on how to access app resources on macOS. It's pretty simple and easy to do. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with AtTech, and I'll see you in the next one.